Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk Top 7 Free VPN Services 2024. Stay tuned with the video. We are talking about many important points here. Speedify is a cutting-edge VPN service designed to optimize internet connectivity and enhance online privacy. By leveraging unique channel bonding technology, Speedify seamlessly combines multiple internet connections, such as Wi-Fi, cellular, and wired networks, to deliver faster and more reliable internet performance. This ensures smoother streaming, quicker downloads, and uninterrupted browsing, even in challenging network environments. Speedify also prioritizes security, utilizing robust encryption protocols to protect user data from cyber threats and unauthorized access. Additionally, its user-friendly interface makes it accessible for both tech-savvy individuals and VPN novices. With a commitment to maintaining speed without sacrificing security, Speedify offers a compelling solution for anyone seeking to improve their internet experience while safeguarding their online activities. Whether you're a frequent traveler, remote worker, or everyday user, Speedify stands out as a versatile and effective VPN choice. Windscribe is a versatile VPN service known for its robust security features and generous free plan. It offers comprehensive privacy protection by encrypting user data and hiding IP addresses, ensuring anonymity and safeguarding against cyber threats. Windscribe stands out with its flexibility, supporting various devices and operating systems, including Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and Linux. It features a user-friendly interface, making it accessible for both novices and experienced users. One of its unique offerings is the ability to create custom configurations, catering to specific needs and preferences. Additionally, Windscribe includes a built-in ad blocker and firewall, enhancing the browsing experience by eliminating unwanted ads and preventing malware. Its global network of servers allows users to bypass geo-restrictions, granting access to content from different regions. Overall, Windscribe provides a comprehensive, secure, and customizable VPN solution, making it an excellent choice for enhancing online privacy and access. i.me is a highly regarded free VPN service, offering robust security and privacy features without compromising on performance. It ensures online anonymity by encrypting user data and masking IP addresses, protecting against cyber threats and prying eyes. With its user-friendly interface, hi.me is accessible to both beginners and advanced users, providing a seamless experience across various devices, including Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and Linux. Despite being a free service, it offers generous data allowances and access to a selection of global servers, allowing users to bypass geo-restrictions and enjoy content from different regions. i.me also includes features such as a kill switch and split tunneling, enhancing security and flexibility. Additionally, it maintains a strict no-logs policy, ensuring that user activity is never tracked or recorded. Overall, hi.me delivers a secure, reliable, and easy-to-use VPN solution, making it an excellent choice for those seeking to protect their online privacy without cost. Hotspot Shield's free VPN service is a popular choice for users seeking enhanced online privacy and security without a cost. It leverages advanced encryption to protect user data, ensuring anonymity and safeguarding against cyber threats. The service utilizes the proprietary Hydra protocol, renowned for delivering fast and reliable connections, which makes it particularly suitable for streaming, gaming, and general browsing. Hotspot Shield's intuitive interface is designed to be user-friendly, supporting a range of devices including Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, thus catering to both novice and experienced users. The free version offers a generous data allowance and access to a selection of global servers, allowing users to bypass geo-restrictions and access content from various regions. Additionally, Hotspot Shield adheres to a strict no-logs policy, ensuring that user activity is never tracked or stored. Overall, Hotspot Shield provides a robust and efficient free VPN solution, making it an excellent option for enhancing online privacy and security. Avira Phantom VPN is a reliable service designed to enhance online privacy and security. It encrypts user data and masks IP addresses, protecting against cyber threats and ensuring anonymity. The service is user-friendly and supports multiple platforms, including Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, making it accessible for both beginners and advanced users. Avira Phantom VPN offers unlimited data for premium users and a free version with a generous data allowance. It also helps bypass geo-restrictions, enabling access to global content. Overall, Avira Phantom VPN provides a secure and efficient solution for safeguarding online activities. TunnelBear is a user-friendly VPN service known for its simplicity and strong privacy features. It encrypts internet traffic, ensuring user data remains secure and private while masking IP addresses to protect against tracking and cyber threats. TunnelBear supports various platforms, including Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, catering to a wide range of users. Its whimsical, bear-themed interface makes it approachable for VPN novices while maintaining robust security for advanced users. The free version offers a generous data allowance, while the paid plans provide unlimited data and access to a global network of servers, enabling users to bypass geo-restrictions. Overall, TunnelBear delivers a secure, straightforward VPN solution for enhancing online privacy. Proton VPN is a high-caliber VPN service renowned for its commitment to security and privacy. Developed by the team behind the secure email service Proton Mail, Proton VPN is designed with a strong focus on user security and privacy, ensuring no user activity logs are ever recorded. This service uses ACE256 encryption and offers secure core servers to route traffic through privacy-friendly countries, enhancing protection against network attacks. Proton VPN operates under Switzerland's strict privacy laws, offering users strong legal protection. It is accessible on a variety of platforms, including Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and even Linux, making it versatile for all types of users. With its intuitive interface and seamless integration, the service is both accessible for beginners and powerful enough for advanced users. One of the standout features of Proton VPN is its commitment to bypassing internet censorship, making it an invaluable tool for users in restrictive countries. It provides high-speed connections and unlimited bandwidth, ensuring a smooth and efficient online experience. With a robust free version and tiered paid options that offer additional features like secure streaming, Tor over VPN, and access to premium servers, Proton VPN is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their internet security and privacy.